What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm fantastic, as always. You know it. Well, today we're trying something a little different. As you can see, I got my other session on the front of my helmet here. My drift is slowly dying, so I'm trying to plan out for the future of when it dies completely, because it's just a matter of time. She's gonna go down. I just know it. So I'm trying to see if I can get this set up to a decent position so I can actually get good shots. And then once I get that, I have to get a way of recording audio, because if you guys don't know, these sessions you can't hook no audio up to it besides the external you know, thing that's in the device itself. So I got no way of getting audio. So right now, technically, I am still using my drift. My drift is actually in my pocket because I can't put it on my helmet with the other camera on there. And my microphone is ran up through my jacket into my helmet. So I'm still capturing the audio, if it works, with my drift that's in my pocket. And then I'll just sync it together and in the editing software. Let's get it here for these cars. Get here. Alright. We'll go this way so I can get off the highway so I can actually talk to you guys. Are you guys facing right? I don't know. Today's a test day. We're just testing shit, so I just want to apologize if anything's not right. You're looking at my crotch, whatever. We'll get it figured out, guys. We will get it figured out one way or another. I kind of like this. Woo! Don't let off the handlebar when you're about to give it some gas. Oh, I'm an idiot. I know. I'm an idiot. But I hope this works out and I can get this audio situation. If I can make it work with that's probably a cop on that sign, so we're gonna slow it down. But hopefully the audio will work connecting it this way until I can get something else to go with. I have a few options that I'm going to look at. I can't buy a whole fucking new camera and then have to buy all these mics and shit, so I'm gonna try to keep the cameras I got, go with another audio situation, something, you know, portable. I could put in my jacket, run wires, good shit, all that. I've seen a few things. I believe Ghost Ninja just released a video talking about something and I didn't know about it, so I'm gonna check that out because that actually looks pretty cool. If not, I'll get one of those task cam things, you know. I don't know, we'll figure it out. We'll figure this shit out together. Together we will. You know, as I'm driving, I'm just realizing I've been giving it all this gas and throttle and just giving it some love, and I'm almost out of gas. My fuel lights trip has been blinking, and might have been 10 miles on it. Thank you. Should be a cop up here, I guess. I think I get about 20 miles, maybe 30, 25, 30, depending on how you're driving on the fuel light. I haven't really officially tested it out, but we gotta get some gas. But definitely, guys, down in the comments, if you guys like this view better or got any tips for me, drop it down there in the comments and let me know so we can get this shit worked out. If not, this may be the only day that we see it this way. I may just go back to the drift until it completely dies, but only time will tell. We'll see. Hope you guys like it. It's kind of awkward for me the way it's set up, you know, but whatever. You do what you gotta do. This is some roadkill. No, just garbage. The sun's bright. And also, guys, if once this this video releases, I'll probably actually be somewhere like Kentucky, Tennessee or something, going to pick up somebody, some bullshit. Maybe I'll do a video on that, and let's just say I'm not too happy about the whole situation. You know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's go find some gas. Some gas, I say. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, let me know down in the comments. You know, if you guys know a good camera that doesn't cost as much, or some audio situations, let me know down in the comments. I would appreciate it. But I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer, because I know you guys got shit to do, and I got shit to do. Actually, I'm leaving tonight to get on the road too. Go, you know, at least, you know, it'd be nice if I was getting to see Halamoto or whatever, but you know, whatever. I think he's in a different place. I don't know. I'm sure he'll let us know where he's at. Alright guys, but if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps the channel out. And if you guys didn't like it, I don't care. Hit it up anyways, because I love you, each and every one of you guys. And if you're new here and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos up, because they're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. And for everybody that's been with me forever, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I love each and every one of you mofos. Alright, have a great day, good night, whatever time it is. I'll see you guys later. And as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out. Bitches.